Today I am reviewing the new Dell XPS 1393-45 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell XPS 1393-45 is a masterclass in modern laptop design, engineering, and intelligence. A device built for professionals who demand beauty, portability, and power in one sleek package. This model is Dell's latest entry into the Copilot Plus AI PC lineup, powered by the new Snapdragon X Plus processor, a chip that not only surpasses traditional Intel Core i7 models like the 1355U, but also redefines what efficiency and intelligence mean in everyday computing. Whether you're working, creating, or streaming, this laptop blends performance and endurance in a way that very few machines in its class can achieve. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the Snapdragon X Plus X1P 42-100 processor. This is an 8-core powerhouse with speeds up to 3.2 GHz and an integrated NPU capable of 45 TOPS. In simple terms, that's a level of AI processing power that gives the XPS 13 an edge in tasks like intelligent photo editing, voice recognition, summarization, translation, and much more, all happening locally without relying on the cloud. This isn't just a laptop. It's an AI-enhanced productivity hub designed for the new era of Copilot Plus computing. Paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5X memory, clocked an impressive 8,448 megatransfers per second, and a fast 512 GB PCI NVMe SSD. The system flies through multitasking and file access. Applications open instantly, large presentations load smoothly, and creative software like Photoshop, Lightroom, or even DaVinci Resolve run with remarkable responsiveness, thanks to both the optimized Windows 11 Pro system and Qualcomm's efficient performance tuning. The display on this XPS 13 is absolutely gorgeous. It features a 13.4-inch 2K InfinityEdge panel with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and up to 500 nits of brightness. Whether you're working in bright daylight or a dim office, the colors stay vivid and motion feels buttery smooth. The low blue light technology ensures that your eyes stay comfortable during long hours of work or binge watching. The near borderless InfinityEdge design makes the laptop feel immersive and premium, something Dell has always nailed in its XPS series. When it comes to graphics, the Qualcomm Adreno GPU delivers excellent integrated performance, handling 4K video playback, light gaming, and creative workloads with ease. You'll be surprised how efficient and capable it is, especially when paired with the Snapdragon platform's intelligent power management. Battery life is another area where this laptop completely dominates. The Dell XPS 139345 boasts up to 27 hours of runtime on a single charge, and that's not a marketing gimmick. Thanks to the Snapdragon X Plus chip's efficiency, real-world use easily lasts through a full day of heavy work, plus an evening of entertainment, without reaching for the charger. This kind of endurance changes how you travel, study, or work remotely. No more carrying a power adapter everywhere. Design-wise, the XPS 13 remains one of the sleekest and most premium laptops on the market. The graphite color gives it a professional and futuristic look. The build feels rock-solid yet feather-light, perfect for on-the-go business users or digital nomads. Dell's attention to detail shines in every element. The seamless glass haptic touchpad, the backlit keyboard with a fingerprint reader, and the compact, minimalist form factor that easily fits into any bag. Multimedia and communication are equally well-crafted. The quad-speaker setup delivers powerful, crisp audio, enhanced by the Qualcomm WSA8845 amplifier system. Whether you're on a call, watching content, or listening to music, the clarity and depth are exceptional. The 1080p FHD RGB camera with dual microphones ensures professional quality video calls, while the IR camera supports secure Windows Hello facial recognition for instant logins. Connectivity is cutting-edge too. With Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, you're getting the fastest and most stable wireless performance available today, ideal for streaming, file transfers, and working on large cloud projects. The port selection, while minimalist, is efficient and complemented by Dell's ecosystem of accessories for expanded connectivity. On the software side, you get Windows 11 Pro, which fully leverages Microsoft's new Copilot Plus AI features, providing smart suggestions, natural language interactions, and real-time productivity enhancements. Combined with McAfee Plus Premium 1-year security and Dell's 1-year premium support, you're covered both in terms of performance and protection. Ultimately, the Dell XPS 1393-45 Copilot Plus AI PC is a glimpse into the future of computing. It merges the elegance and craftsmanship Dell is known for with the intelligence and efficiency of the Snapdragon X platform. This is not just an Ultrabook, It's a statement of how far laptop technology has come. If you're a professional who values portability, battery life, and advanced AI capabilities, or a student and creator who wants a thin, reliable, and stylish laptop, the Dell XPS 139345 is one of the best choices you can make in 2025. It's elegant, efficient, and effortlessly powerful, a laptop that doesn't just keep up with your pace, but helps you move faster and smarter every single day.